T-Mobile error code 728, often seen as SIM not provisioned or activation required, means your SIM card hasn't been properly activated on T-Mobile's network. This prevents your device from accessing cellular services like calls, texts, and data. It can occur with new SIMs, device swaps, or after network updates. The core issue is that the SIM card's unique ICCID hasn't been correctly registered and linked to your account on T-Mobile's network. This linkage enables authentication via the IMSE. To troubleshoot error code 728, first restart your device to force a network resync. If that doesn't work, ensure your APN settings are correct. For T-Mobile, the APN should be fast.tmobile.com. T-Mobile's My T-Mobile app includes a SIM health check to run diagnostics and apply fixes automatically. You can also contact T-Mobile support by calling 611. T-Mobile has also implemented AI-driven diagnostics into their app. For those with eSIMs, activation is now more seamless through partnerships with Google and Apple.